Greetings and welcome to Florence Ballard A3060, home of the Hotpoint 9530A, Miele W562 washing machines and the greatest groups of the 1960s, the Supremes and the Beach Boys. So, I'm on a Southwestern Railway class 444 Desiro, got class number unit number 444022, and I'm heading to a certain somewhere. That somewhere is the laundry centre. I'm also meeting up with two other washer fans on there. Passing Brookwood and another 444 Desiro. I'm meeting up with Super Washer Kid 2002 and Washing Machine Guy 20. And this is what happens when four washer fans meet in a shed. First machine of the day, Hoover Ecologic 1300 AC220.
So, boil wash, I was thinking.
Whites, isn't it?
A. Don't know how this. I'm not.
Is you locked out of his shed? Huh?
If you do that on a half load and a speed wash,
Yeah. Cool.
only
it's
speed
half.
wash because it does Ecologics have crap programming.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Okay.
What do you do, delicate tumbles?
what detergent do you want?
What?
Splash liquid or splash powder?
I would like splash powder. Powder.
That's funny, this machine looks familiar.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, I wonder where I've seen it
Open
before.
lid for it. No, you're doing it wrong.
Is that one
Sorry.
is it auto dispense, that one?
Sorry, there we
Right.
go.
Just pour it.
Which compartment is it? That one.
Either.
Yeah. Cool. How much should I put in?
That'll do.
No. Hoover can handle it.
Apparently.
Cool.
New ones can't.
Speed wash half load.
Okay, I've got it on program A, so speed wash, half load. Oh.
He's pretty organised in here.
And then start. This is the start, isn't
Start, yeah.
Cool.
I don't get why they got a heat shield on them. Oh, Keymatic.
Yeah, that's a bit. Yeah, never known that. It's quite cool. See,
I can't remember if I filmed the Ecologic. No, I haven't filmed the Ecologic. I filmed the Logic.
I don't think that was here when you were.
Oh, it's Ecologic 12, I think you had.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I've got another half bit of bedding because.
Alright, you want to sling the whole bag in there?
Oh, we've seen the Electrolux as well.
You sling the whole bag in there.
Okay. What? Just stick the. Oh,
Well, I'll tell you what, if you want to put the water machine, you want to do the rest of it in?
I don't mind. What
Old 18 series, hot point.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, stick it in there.
Yeah.
What size
make
was that
sure
for?
maybe. Is there? Yeah, 60. I'll do.
Yeah, what makes it? There we are.
And stoke it because my charger's in there. I don't want to forget about that.
Oh
Charging
gosh.
away.
I've put my earphones through the machine a few times.
Hopefully it tumbles because in my hot point it does not tumble.
We've got a titanium drum, isn't it?
Yeah, mine's titanium.
It's not titanium. It's
What?
magnetic, and titanium is not magnetic.
Yeah.
So you can throw magnets.
Oh, that makes sense then because
They would never put titanium in there. If they did, it would cost more than the
oh no, my
says.
charger's up there. Thank God.
Well, if I stick this up here, go for it. Yeah.
Cool,
It's
fantastic.
going to be funny us all fitting in one chair.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking, how are we going to all fit?
Oh, he moves this thing in
I'm
the
going to
Duke.
move the little baby benefits.
Oh,
That's coming over with me on the train.
In your dreams.
It would actually fit on the tray, that's the funny thing. It
Oh
would.
yeah, you probably could. Right, that's my box of
I can't believe how tiny that is.
I suppose it's like one of the only machines that has like back in the day that has a 20-degree.
Yeah.
Because like these days it's like
Me, though, the only thing
It's
with 20.
compulsory.
No,
it's
Yeah,
compulsory
but
now.
21,
It's like
yeah.
why? Isn't that or,
That's still heating, so
Yes.
leave it for now.
yeah. Yeah, wait until that's finished heating.
Ian playing
Just
something.
don't film it weighing, because it would sound horrible, because it's cold.
Oh no, I'm not.
So-
I did that before and I think I burst everyone's eardrums. I should have put in the description ROP headphone users.
I always do it. When I always end up having some loud sound in my video. I'm just like, oh, right.
That looks so nice and white now, my bedding.
It's not a 90 yet.
No, I know, but still, it looks.
That feels about 45 or something, 50.
Yeah,
So probably the door glass is about 60 years.
It's probably about 60, yeah.
yeah, I'd say so. I've done it so it started at the start when it started heating. I've done it midway through heating.
You want to flick the Lux off at normal?
Yeah,
Lux.
sure.
It's on the right. On the,
That one.
with W455H.
Yes, that's the one.
Great stuff.
Cool. Nearly hit the light then, sorry. Nearly disturbed your lighting then, sorry about
I thought you hit your head on it.
No, thankfully not.
That's such nice.
Nice.
do think I definitely prefer Hoover, I think. Cool down. That's like Silent Phil.
Oh, he's at Winchester.
Hang on, so he passed. When did who passed Winchfield? Was it you that passed Winchfield?
I live near Winchfield, so...
I was wondering, because you said passing Winchfield, I thought, God, he's going to get there before me then. I was like...
No, I live in... no, your train passed Winchfield.
Winchfield, yeah.
That's kind of what I meant.
Went through at about 100 miles an hour. I was like, alright, I can just see it's...
Bye! I really wished I went down to the train station and just saw your train just go past.
I think I was falling asleep over there. I was like, don't sleep. I was like, don't sleep.
Yeah, because that train went past Winchfield and Hook.
Hook, yeah, that was it, yeah.
Yeah, that's like not even like a mile away from.
There, I'll look at that. That's what.
That's cool. That's what they call a water level.
That's like the Miele would stop there then, I think.
Yeah. I'll say,
No,
even though it's a high water level, it's still tumbling really well. Well, not tumbling, rolling.
I think the
Floating.
Floating.
what's this machine like? The Whirlpool Inspirations. They feel really high on there. Like,
Oh, what's
I
the
know.
point? I've got that Whirlpool brochure for you somewhere. Like I said, you could have.
My
oh, is that
one
one
of
with
my
the
friends
six
had
sensors? Though?
Yeah.
They had one of
Jumping
those.
in your way really quickly.
Why does my torch automatically turn on?
Mine does that now, and now I've got to go auto and then click off to just.
Candy. Yeah, my
No.
Can't be out here,
one
must
of my old neighbours
Yeah,
had
who does that?
one of those whirlpools where it felt like
Upstairs.
nearly over halfway. You know, it's just like
I should put really emotional music over that. RRP.
Well, it's automated
The
back
old
in.
machines never did that. I can't remember what was the first machine that actually spun after the war. Probably 1990s, I think.
So that spins after the wash.
What does?
Your hot point.
1842 does?
Yeah.
I never knew that.
pretty cool. Well, if we did it first, but I think like when the sun's locked.
The Ecologic got out of balance, doesn't it? It's got a micro switch.
You know, it can't out of balance. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, but like, it won't. Like,
Yeah, it's almost like.
what if we do the hot point balancing system is so stupid. Stop and tumble, throw it back into distribute.
Yeah, exactly.
It makes it worse. That's the thing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it's like almost putting a machine in service cycle.
No, one in BHF took 18 attempts to spin it and it's spun unbalanced. I was like, oh fuck, what's the point of that?
Yeah, this is why I don't do domestics.
Exactly, yeah.
This is a commercial, just get on with it.
You should get an IPSO, do you? You should.
Go for performance.
Yeah.
I'm happily up like speed queens.
I would,
Speed queens are amazing. I love the new ones in America that they do.
Everything's unbalanced, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I think everyone.
Ecologic. And that's the first spin.
Oh, this is going to sound like jumps into spin. Do they sound quite loud when they jump into spin?
The Logic side and what they've got actually quite a nice sound there.
It's good.
It's like no, I can't remember how Hoover's going now. Oh, that's it does 2 clicks and then it just goes.
Yeah. There's something like a spin burst, isn't it? Or is it quite a little bit?
Holds at 500 for about, I think it's about a minute or so.
Okay.
Looking what's going to come down on me as that shakes.
Oh god.
I'll just throw that up there. These seasons I can sit in front of one of these ones, they don't make me jump.
That's it. I'm glad you told me that.
Not a hot one, I can't go anywhere near that. I don't like that. Hang on.
Just say,
I love the way they go into spin. I noticed the drum lifts up when it goes into spin.
yeah.
No. That's pretty stable, that is.
That's good.
Well, that'll make if that goes up to 1300 like that, it will make a racket. They do that.
I hope it doesn't do that when it actually reaches the finals.
Oh, it's quite loose. think, yeah. I was hoping the Ecologic would be used. Because last time when it came in, you used it, I was like, I can't wait to use the WM12 for using that today.
Yeah, absolutely.
I've never actually seen one that like Otto's work.
Yeah. Wait, we're using W.
I think we are today. And the baby, I think we're using the baby Bendix as well. I'm like, yeah.
WM12, I am going to be so happy.
What was it? Your Nana, was it?
Yeah, she had a WM25.
Oh, the Aquarius 1000 Deluxe.
Yeah, I loved it. I absolutely, I hated it when she died. She's got a Becco afterwards. And that was...
One of my says neighbours had the spin slider one of that.
Yeah.
I think it was WM32 she had. Oh no, wait, no, not WM32. WM, I can't remember what one it was.
Yeah.
That was, it was going to go up there, it was.
Yeah. I'm going to film my...
Okay, that's
I'm
second.
going to film my washing now. Well, my second part.
I'm not bothering the rinses, I'm just getting the spins, I think.
Yeah, you might want to keep the stuff off the electrolytes when it spins.
Oh,
It'll jump off and up again.
No, I got my tripod. That's quite a cool tripod, actually.
Yeah, it extends.
So that's better than...
Brandon, do you want to borrow my tripod?
Oh, I've got mine here, I have.
Alright. I think we'll screenshot.
That's what I'm doing.
I said delete all the pictures of your qualities.
Yeah.
That's a nice Hoover candy you got there. Candy Ecologic. Who says they're made by Candy? No, they say the softwares are made by
I
Candy.
just love the accuracy of the panels on these drums.
Oh, ridiculous.
That's a good idea.
What's up? God.
Temperature 28.
This is what happens when...
See, I like the fact it tells you the temperature.
Yeah.
Fucks my leg up.
So does that one as well.
That just
If you press that. I remember, Chris, if you press that, that shows the temperature.
With the temperature button, but
Yeah.
the delay start one.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
God, the pump sounds like weird on that.
If you turn it on, the one at the top.
That one. Oh, whoa. Oh, that's nice.
That's brilliant sound. I think the Logic sound better than the Electrons. No, Philip does. He likes the Logics more,
Oh,
doesn't
that sound.
Service bits.
he? It's pretty stable.
Put one picture of a bee bag. That's all that.
Nice on the final swing, it goes up to 800, I think. That'll be even nicer.
Up to 1300.
Oh god. So the shoulders.
Oh, do you guys like that new Samsung Quick Drive? I hate it.
I hate it.
Saying that it's gonna floor like exactly what happened with the dicing machines.
It's basically them trying to make a
Yeah.
keymatic. It's basically.
It's terrible. I you see the post on Instagram making that horrible clicking noise for some reason. It's making a horrible
When
weird.
you put stuff like that in it, it's more stuff to go wrong.
Yeah, exactly. That's
Like
what I see,
Wi-Fi enabled machines. What the hell is that about? I don't understand all that. That's more simple. I'd rather have one of those.
My one had the Wi-Fi option. I set it up right. It's such a gimmick. You have to turn it on and then select the smart control button to activate. Then you have to go on your phone.
No, I'd rather just have something like that.
Yeah. I hate this ad wash on mine though. Ad wash is horrible.
And the tinted windows. What's all that
Yeah.
about?
Hate it.
The Miele, do they have to do three-phase?
Miele is a single phase burner.
Tag you in a post. Let me guess, you put a picture of all of us.
No, just
I think he's got a picture. He took a picture of me reading the service manual
Yeah.
at that point. Now I wonder what the thumbnail's going to be now for it's going to say Chris.
Anybody want some drink?
I'm good for now, but thank you.
No, Chris didn't know in the video of the
Wait, when I
of the 1842. Yes, please. In the video of the 1842, I zoomed up on your head,
Yeah.
in the back of your head. Thank you.
I open this nearly filled.
I think it is.
There you go. That's lower than the main wash, which I don't get. Why is that?
My dad told me years ago, when he was young, he saw his mum and dad had a Bendix, something, not sure which, but his mum and dad had a Bendix, and my mum said she had on an old hot point. She said similar to the 9530. But
Oh, that's it, I think. Wow. That's nearly out.
Was it a square door or round door Bendix? Was it?
I don't know, I have to ask him that. I'm not sure if you remember, but he definitely said it was a Bendix.
Probably a 7000 series then.
They're all 7000 series.
Yeah, it's a 7100
Josh, do you mind
series.
if I film the Bendix quickly? Sorry.
Bendix.
Not Bendix, sorry. It's because they were talking about Bendix. The electric. Yeah.
I need to go. I need to get going something like this one day. I need to get my own collection.
Yeah, alright. So do I really.
No, I'm just happy that I've got my own machine for now though. Don't have to bother with a Samsung. Got my own thing with it.
All you guys have got your own machines. Just me. But I have got my own machine.
Thank God I had the
Technically the meter
bathroom
is-
next to my bedroom so I can plug it in.
That's good.
Now I've got it in its new space, it pumps better now as well. It's not for siphoning
Was that
away.
2 clicks? I don't know. Was that?
1 minute left.
Nice distraction.
So you've got
some
Pepsi
Charlie's
Max
bedding's actually
there.
got a proper good.
Yeah, my bedding's actually had a good wash for once.
Oh wait, you can see the gravity giant.
Yeah, the. Oh.
Little spider.
Oh! Yeah, he wants to see. He wants to see it as well.
Incy Wincy Spider, find out the Electrolux. Yes, aww.
Yeah, no, he wants to see it as well. See it go on.
So imagine him trying to make a web on the front of the door. I just like it just be all.
While it's spinning.
Is that tumbling well enough for you?
That is perfect. Before it was
the
bobbing up and down. Not even
Ecologic's filled up
scrolling.
more. It's filled up more now. I like that main wash 4. I like the fact it's got like so many different main washers.
It stays.
Yeah.
Almost like, yeah, it's very good.
I'm going to do 10 minutes each part. I mean, it's only half the day. Oh, that's a good. That's a good.
Yeah,
That's a good level.
that's half levels on it. Or that?
Let me see. It might be filling up already.
Oh, there you go. Oh yeah.
Ecologic.
Oh, beautiful machine. My food tech teacher lets me look at watch when it's on at lunchtime. She lets me watch it.
What's the machine got there?
It's the Beko, same as what Jordan had.
Oh,
yeah, one of them.
Yeah, we had a Becker in my house. It was one of the really old
I
timer
put it in
ones. Though.
service mode and it jumped.
Oh,
When
you
she went
jumped
out of
it.
class, I put it in
Yeah,
service
with
mode and it jumped.
Like the door that's
So
like that
funny.
big on it, literally.
We,
Primary school had a Wellful Solutions on. That's like what I used to take people to the welfare room just to get to see it.
No, I opened the door.
we've got 2 Bosches in there, and it's
We had a ship point.
Oh shit!
but oh yeah, the WDL 520.
Something.
Oh, I hate those machines. I do.
That was that's just awful.
Still going.
That just Bendix though was lovely.
Oh, what a beautiful level that
But
is.
yeah.
So if
we
you
had-
deselect a half load, would that feel like?
If you didn't select half load, all the rinses would be at that level.
Oh,
Wow.
okay.
so they don't feel
And I
half.
want a water meter. So, I'll let it do the 2 high rinses, but
Oh, do you know what really annoys me when my mum puts the Sam's on the wrong cycle?
Yeah, that,
Yeah, mum started with the Miele, and I took over. I said, "No, let me do the washing." And I said,
When she gets powder everywhere all over the job, like, oh, are
like
you
mum's
kidding me?
machine.
So annoying.
"Mum does that 40-degree side on everything, and then she wonders
Yeah.
why limescale builds up on it. Doesn't even do a maintenance wash or anything." I'm just like, "All right."
We did 1 maintenance wash on our Zanussi for its lifetime, from 2001 to 2013.
What?
1 maintenance, and I think that was 1 year before it died. That
Oh,
was
wow.
See, all my machines do about 2 weeks washing in a normal household in about 10 years. So a maintenance wash just isn't viable.
We'd have a daily.
Because I don't need to do maintenance washes.
every day.
Everything goes on 60 and 95 in my house,
Yeah.
literally, aside from woolens. basically.
What's more Pringles?
We
I
always
like to do high temperature washes. I
I
hate
do.
doing low temperature.
I care more about the machine than my clothes. That's what I say. I care more about them.
We always did
Do you want to show us
Cotton's
some?
40 quick on our old Zanussi. Every single
Thank you.
cycle, apart from when my dad was in charge of the washing. If he did bedding, because he always liked to do the bedding, he'd do it on Cotton's 90 with pre-wash and extra rinse. That was the 2 options he liked to use, and he used that with everything he washed. Like not 90, but 60 with pre-wash and extra rinse. He was actually good with the washing.
Come on, Hoover. It's spinning.
Yeah, well, give it a chance. Keep going.
Well, it's so funny though when I put my
Oh yeah, the
Does that one have a door lock on it? That
Which
old
one?
hot point?
This one here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it'll release immediately as soon as it's... Oh crikey, is that unbalanced? Because if it is, that's going to make a racket when that hits 1300 of those. Oh, that's alright. So we finally meet then, that's
Yeah. Finally.
Nah.
When I was bloody here, I was like shaking like mad.
I was like thinking, oh my god, I was like...
I don't know what to
That's
say.
cold as well, oh my god.
Did you see the video when I took apart that AEG?
Yeah, cannibalised it.
My first time taking apart a machine, so it was like...
I was taking apart with the hot points when the first one was taken apart to fit something to it.
Oh, that AEG stunk though. Stunk badly.
Well, that mould and everything was it.
It was like rotten eggs. It was like that
Oh
rotten egg
god.
smell.
Oh, straight up to 800. Yeah, that's got more torque than the hot point has.
It's so quick, got maps and everything. Maps and...
Fucking hell, that was...
You're shaking.
A little bit, yeah, vibrate. Oh, his trim's on properly. Wow.
53 degrees.
Well, that's not quick.
Yeah, that is 54 now. That is heating quick.
The best part on this is when it dips and it goes up to 1300. That's... Sorry, no, quick clip for Instagram on that.
I'll send you a video on that.
He does 3 minutes at 800.
Such a nice sound.
It's loud. I like it. It's the fact it's loud.
Yeah. Very nice.
800, that's soon.
Oh, listen to that sound all night.
That looks faster than 800 to me, that does.
I can never tell what RPM it is. That's one thing I can't.
It looks like 1,000, that does. With the dip in the speed.
It's so quick. Right. Yeah. 60.
Yeah, I'm glad I chose that for
I'm watching the timer and see where it goes.
Is that your? That's your bed. That's your bed.
And so is it there as well.
Are you going with the big cover?
Yeah, I always do that.
I won't let you take it like that. When it's not stuck on that.
It would do, but the heights are going to
The tension waiting for it to do it. No, it's Casman Washmatic. That's what it is. Yeah, they're changing Casman Washmatic.
My little brother got the pink one, right, and I look horrible. Like, what have you done? That's one more thing you're doing in the childhood. It was my horrible colour, and now I can't even say what point it is.
Oh no, can't. I noticed that recently. I noticed that when they started doing them again. On the bed sensor, they used to do that, didn't they?
Oh yeah.
I don't see toy washing machines anywhere now. I don't know why it's
I
stopped.
went to with near when I go to Brooklyn sometimes, and there's a mother care. I go now. I saw a toy washing machine in there. But it was a McDonald's brand.
That was the calendar. When's the draining? No, it's the 60.
There you go. Time left 32.
do it any second now. It's got to do it.
I like that little buzz when it turns the other way.
Yeah, that's the inverter.
I might actually increase the volume of my video when it does that. It ramps up.
Oh, here we go. Oh,
Oh, that's brilliant.
beautiful. Oh, amazing.
I thought I've got more power in the motor than the hot point has.
Oh yeah.
There.
Oh,
It's just where it goes down and goes back up. I
that
like it.
is beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no, I probably should bring some of my old DVDs with my granddad filmed me with the old box and all that.
Oh my.
I should have done it. Ooh, it was so funny because like you decided, like, I kept like opening the tumble dry door and it when my nan kept shutting it, trying to try to launch, I kept opening it again. I kept annoying my nan in the video because I kept like opening the door and she wanted it to close. I kept opening the
I went into a laundrette near me and did that. And the lady came out, "What are you doing?" I just opened the door and walked back out. She was mad. God, I feel the floor vibrate.
One second more.
God. Man, no.
Take your gloves off, it's not that cold, is it?
I've got to put on my juice, isn't it? Oh, it's heating now, isn't it? Juice is heating up.
step down to 38.
Does that pump out at the end though?
No, that's it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, beautiful sound.
I know. And those Hoover machines turn very quickly.
Oh yeah, I can sell the bearings and spider.